ngasi transfer tawrani ojawat lehen mafam amada hongdokpa satra leitam mafam de lotho sadra leibam thamba ngak leiraga school sukaro daba hire tawra leiba mi duna laaga mar transfer posting hongna ba hairak dum regularly karamasa tha phadringe da chahi phadringe da transfer posting si no maga kan school masamak school ka damne sa asiguma menesi mayam leiba adu erdi akhoi gi rule ama semaga oja singse mafam amada 3 years compulsory posting leigadawa adum badu tawba yagadra number 2 da oja singse leiriba oja singse mafam du da 3 years lehanba number 3 da na sarkarno cadre system sembiba hoy district si cadre amani haibi ADC oibnina
question da lakpiro question
aduna sir question ne aduna khundugi mi leirabadi primary teacher takadaba ojado khundugi for example akhoi gi ukhul district de every village se masa gi khungi lon tongaleba angang du material khangpot nate tangkhulon ju khang madante in every respective village has their own local dialect leba angang nursery tamba angang du
member
question ne sir hai do
question do horen answer pi do mi no kaw ne sangman gele
sir question do in lakche aduna primary teacher se khundugi oja qualified to mi khanba yagadra hai si amta hangani
am seng haragadi lairiba school mayam siga hairuragadi ba yamna phajana khogi singi area da sothare academic ki karigi na haisi school lisingi maya da ni singre ADC si mathakda mo khogi state government run to ba state ki school song leiri misa ada khwaidagi luri ding asai gi honorable member na haiba khogi transparency akhoi appointment ki karigi matamda fajana sigi pon mayam school du da khundu da qualified oiba natragana anakpada qualified district level gi the priority p by na sar man su laibane adu su dum tawbane do kwailuri di ka da basni masida di masi matang sida ina hajening basi honorable members hilarious committee gi level leaders sing manam di ADCC autonomous district council gi moi gi makhada primary level bhaugi laibani na makhoigi ADC gi or chingli gi kabi reiba elected members sing gi tim mama tawraga masi jang tum thigat piraga iba awara pa do ikhoina pau pi bi raga menkhat pi radi nungai ni akhoi government na su tokjage tokjabadi budi total sanction posi sir 8781 ni ado hojik lai risina 6632 ni yam ka hena wat panate adubu wal iba kano se khoi hojik direct equipment 1936 aduga promotion to 113 mase khoi process tawre haidna thamjake aduga hojiki khunda priority pi bai do madum local gi elementary sugum basidi primary sugum basidi dum ai khoi madugi advantage pi bi ani na thamjage sa